Hi guys, hope you're well. Little start to not another project, just another sort of ongoing. Right, so twin motor infraction has had a bit of a change. I'll obviously go more into that at another point. But we've got a little, well, it looks like a mega, but it's not. A little bit of a clue there. So this started off as a Vendetta 3S. Obviously before I got hold of it, someone has converted to infraction, obviously put a mega body on it instead of the proper 3S one. Yeah, I actually sort of prefer the look of the red, white and blue. I think it's quite smart really. So a few little bits already up there. The 3S speed controller was no good, so I'll put a 6S BLX 185 in there. Still the original 3S motor. I'm waiting for a fan to come. And a little fan. I've got a 3D printed cover to match it all, make it all look the same. It had a little Traxxas servo in it, really weedy plastic geared thing, so I had a spare standard infraction servo. I don't know, I think they're, I don't know, I'd like to say 25 kilos, but I don't know if they're that beefy, but it was the normal 6S servo out of these, felony, that sort of thing. It's all standard, it's got standard 22 pinion in it. I have got speed gear, which I think is like a 27 or something like that. Is that 27? Anyway, got the speed pinion. As always, got a bit of 3D printed bits from Scoop from RC. Front skirt, got GoPro mount, same on the Big Brother. Finally got a new GoPro, so should be able to get some good footage on there. Yeah, as always, got a Basher skin on there. Same as always brilliant service. Can never fault them, and yeah, all of mine have got skins on. Had a little delivery today. So from David at Scorched. So we've got a titanium rear skid plate for the 3S. I probably won't do much of a video on this because it's literally 3 screws. Not exactly going to be a very gripping video. Also got the 3S inner fenders. I've actually seen a video on YouTube of these being fitted. I've had them on previous 6S infractions. I've got two modified ones in the back of that one, the short ones. So, yeah, we've got that to go on. Comes with obviously instructions. You get scissors for cutting them out because it's quite hard plastic. All the fittings, all the instructions. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rip these 3 screws out, pop the titanium plate on, and then I think probably the best thing, I will trim all these fenders out and show you once we're cut out and go on to mounting them. So yeah, and yes, there we go, 3 screws. The front 2, there's spacers which you sort of push down into the chassis because there's quite a deep hole, so 2 little spacers go in there, and 3 long screws, which yeah, just go straight in. As always, yeah, fits perfectly, like on the David Scorched parts. And again, it's a titanium skid, same as what I've got on the other infraction and my felony. So yeah, when it hits the floor, which you obviously do, you get lots of nice cool sparks. So again, should look nice when we're out running at night. Right, next thing you do, get these fenders cut out. Well guys, there we go, all on. Obviously comes with all the hardware. There's little spacers that go in underneath these. Really easy to cut with the supplied scissors, no problems at all. Comes with little spacers to go under the body post. I've had a little move around from what it says in the instructions. at the back, because I just wanted to sit a bit lower so that I could yeah, getting it sitting nice, you know, under the body. One thing I have got to do, I think, where obviously it's vacuum formed, there is like a bend to it, but I think with a bit of heat, just a, you know, little warm up, you'll be able to sort of put them to where you want them to be. But yeah, it's covering nicely. So yeah, the instructions absolutely spot on. All the cut lines, you know, nice pictures, very easy. Obviously body drops on somewhere. Yeah, it does sort of yeah, I mean, because of the shape of it at the moment, it does flare the sides out a little bit, but like I said, a little bit of heat gun, a little bit of flame, I'm sure everything will be fine. So there we go, little how-to video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and all that for more, and yeah, we get onto this. I'll tell you all about this, and we get some runs. Well, not comparisons, but there's no real comparison. But yeah, we'll have a look. Cheers, guys. See you soon.